Counters. Agent workstations, also called counters, are created and configured from the administration page within the selected branch. When creating a new counter, you need to specify a unique WebSocket identifier, a display name, and the counter number. The counter number is displayed on the waiting room screens when a ticket is called from that workstation. The room field can contain both letters and numbers. This information can also be displayed on the waiting room displays during ticket calls. The value does not have to be a room number. For example, you can use labels such as Cashier 1. The kind field is optional. It is used only for certain customer-specific statistical reports. Displays. Open the Displays tab to see the list of available displays. Select only the display that is physically installed at or directly above this counter. Waiting room displays are configured in display groups. On the Display Groups tab, select the groups where calls from this counter should be displayed. Sound players. On the Sound Players tab, select the audio device that should play announcements for calls from this counter. Other devices. If these modules are available, open the Others tab. Here, you can assign the associated customer feedback device and voice recorder to the selected counter. Custom JavaScript. If special modifications to the counter interface are required, the QNet support team may provide a custom JavaScript solution. Simply paste the script into the Custom JS field and save the configuration. Pairing. When using a GD08 device or the Android SH78 application as a counter, you can also configure it using the pair function. The pairing can be completed by entering the pairing code, by entering the device IP address, or, if the device includes a camera, by scanning the QR code. Alternatively, in case of Android devices, you can use the USB/file pairing method as well. Please note that when using the pair function, counter numbers are assigned automatically in sequential order. Display assignments are not configured automatically, so they must be assigned manually afterwards. Service matrix. The service matrix determines which services an agent can handle at a specific counter. This is defined by the combination of the clerk matrix and the counter matrix. In most cases, the counter matrix is used to restrict services that cannot be provided at a particular workstation. For example, a counter without a cash register should not be able to provide cashier services. Besides enabling or disabling services, you can also assign priorities. This allows the system to process higher priority services first. For example, if an agent is allowed to serve both high and low priority services, the system will allow calling high priority tickets as long as any are waiting. Only after that will it begin calling tickets from the next lower priority, and so on. Configuration data can be downloaded from most administration pages. For the matrix configuration, this feature is particularly useful. If different configurations are used on a regular schedule, previously saved files can be restored quickly, making it easy to switch between predefined setups.